Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I have a little unbagging. This has just come from the postman. It couldn't get through the letterbox fortunately, because I'm pleased it's quite stiff. It doesn't want to be shoved through a letterbox. And it's come from AliExpress, and it's the Pro Houseware Store. And yeah, I was on a not buying anymore from AliExpress, and I saw this and I thought, oh, I've just got to have that. Look at this, it's another one of my wreaths, and you know I do like my wreaths. And look at those flowers. And I just thought, yeah, this is going to go in my summer corner. Oops, I think it goes that way up. Yeah, it's that way up, because those flowers will be that way. Yeah, it's that way up. Oh, look, the numbers are this way up, Liz. Duh, that would have been the easiest way to look at it. But yeah, and I just thought, oh, I've got to have that. Love it. It's an acrylic one. It's the white acrylic. Oh, it's got hangers on it, so I'll know which way it goes up, because it's going to have a chain with it. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, we have got a chain. I was going to say, I didn't think I'd seen a chain, but yeah, it's just a standard kerb chain. But it has got the lobster coral clasps on it there, which are my favourites, because they're just such an easy one to use, just an easy one to open. Just your little lever at the side there, just opens and just clips on. So yeah, your nice little chain. We'll give that a measure in a second. We've got a basic toolkit with 3 grip seal bags. Okay, strange. And oh look, oh, it's all crystals. Oh, I didn't realise that. I thought it would be a mixture of crystals and resin, but it's not. It's all crystals. And this one cost me, with postage and taxes, £8.25. So yeah, you've got to treat yourself from time to time. I've not got much left to come from AliExpress now. I'm trying not to look, albeit they've just sent me an email saying that there is a sale starting. So mind you, the sales are a bit odd on AliExpress, because you tend to find that with coupons you'd maybe have got them for that price anyway, and sort of a week before the sale starts they start showing you the price, what it is now and what it'll be when the sale starts, which is always a bit odd as well, because I think, well, surely that's putting people off from buying now. So I don't know, but anyway, it's their company. Let's do a quick measure first. Let's do a measure. I'm just too busy being a magpie looking at all those crystals. So I think this will be about a 10-inch. Oh, it's a 9-inch, so it's about 9 inches, which is 23 centimetres. I'm presuming it's going to be the same always. Yeah, just about 9¼ inches, about 14 centimetres. So yeah, it's just a nice little round. But I just saw all those flowers, and as I say, I'm not really a flower type picture person, but I just loved the colours of this when I saw it. I thought, yeah, I've got to have that. I've got to have that. Let's measure this chain as well. So we can see the length of this. What's this? Probably about 2 foot, is it? Let's have a look. And that is, oh, just slightly short from the lobster claw clasp to the lobster claw clasp. It's about roughly 19 inches, which is 48-ish centimetres. So this chain, just to hang. If you don't want it quite so long, just tie a knot in the end. It just makes it a little bit shorter. Okay, so now we will get onto these crystals, because they're really pretty. Oh, look at those. Sparkle, sparkle. So we've got our gorgeous clear crystals there. Come on, camera, focus. I know it's early in the morning. We've got our lovely deep purpley colour there. A very pale lemony goldy colour. And an ambery goldy colour. And a pale green, and a very pale pink. Wow, there's a lot of pale colours in this. I hope we've got a bit more to make it pop. I think it's going to be very pastel-y, this. And a slightly darker pink, and a slightly darker pink again. Oh, there's no hot pink in this one. And a lovely bright shiny green. Oh, look at those. They're like half sphere pearls in purple, so there's no facets on those. Little teardrops in a deep blue, little pearls with no facets, and have they got maybe coated? No, they're not coated. And then a teardrop in pink and a marquee in green. Okay, so quite a muted colour palette, this one, apart from like your purpley colours might stand out, but these are all very pastel-y. Ooh, so this will be good to do. A little bit different. So we've got the purple flowers there. That's number D and E. So let's have a look, see where some of these go. So D is the pink. So these actually look like they're going to be purple, but they're the pinks. And then obviously E are the leaves there. Yeah, they're the greens. So A is your large purple. So it's going to be a large purple centre on these flowers with a pink leaf. Ooh, that'll be different. Okay. Ooh. I do like these. They're quite, they work up quite easy. Just sit on an evening. And what I do is I start at one end and just work my way around with each colour. And then once I've done that colour, then I start and I just look for each colour. But yeah, okay. So what did we end up with? What have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different colours and gems. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's just sticking to me now. But yeah, what have we got? We've got daisies. These look like daffodils. Gosh, it's not that long since they were out, Liz. I'm not sure what they are. And I'm not sure what the others are. Oh, look, those little tiny teardrops are going in this blue flower here. They're all in amongst these gems here. So that's going to be fun to do. What I might do is actually do those first, because I tend to find that I have trouble sometimes getting those little teardrops in place. So if I put those in first, then I can put the others around it. But I always leave my big ones till last, because I like to put the big ones in when it's finished. Save the best till last. Oh dear, silly me. Right, okay. Well, this is a really quick video. As I said, just a little item that I got that I thought you might like to see. So if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.